Okay, now we will discuss the hydroxy compounds. So hydroxy compounds are aliphatic alcohols and also aromatic alcohols. Aliphatic alcohols and aromatic alcohols. So general molecular formula of hydroxy compounds are general molecular formula and CN H2N plus 1O. So here are aliphatic alcohols, aromatic alcohols, general molecular formula of hydroxy compounds are CN H2N plus 1O. So here the functional group of hydroxy compounds are functional group, so OH. So here generally we take the, so here hydroxy group. So here this is the indicated the nomenclature, common name is alcohols. So for example we take in their common name, then here CH3OH. So here this is the methyl group, this is the alcohol group. So we take in their common name is methyl alcohol. So your IUPAC name is indicated the, so your OL. So OL is OL. Then IUPAC name of CH3OH is methanol. So your general we indicated the nomenclature in IUPAC system is OL, and also in common system we indicated the alcohol. For example, we take the compound is CH3OH methyl alcohol. Then IUPAC name is indicated the methanol. So and also the another name is methyl OH group is also called carbinol. So next one, structure of aliphatic alcohols and also structure of aromatic alcohols. Structure of alcohols. So here structure of alcohols. So OH group. So for example, take compound is, so here indicated the, then R, so OH attached to the OH group. Then also another one example we take in their compound is, then also CH3, then OH. So here the bond angle carbon to oxygen to hydrogen bond angle is indicated the 108 degrees. Then aromatic alcohols are indicated the, then benzene ring contain the OH group. So here also OH group. Then here OH group attached to the sp3 carbon in the aliphatic alcohols. Then in aromatic alcohols OH group is attached to the sp2 carbon atom. We indicated the bond angle in aromatic compounds carbon to oxygen to hydrogen 109 degrees. So here also indicated the OH group. So here this carbon is acquired the sp2 hybridization in aromatic compounds. In aliphatic compounds then carbon acquire the sp3 hybridization. So here this is the general structure of alcohols. And also next one we discuss about the preparation of alcohols. Preparation of alcohols. So here for example we taken the question number 1. So for example question is, then alkene. So here alkene is CH3, then CH double bond CH2, then react with, so here H2SO4, concentration H2SO4 by H2O, then compound is A, and also react with the B2H6 diborane and tetrahydrofuran, then compound is B. So here option number 1 we taken here also. A is, so here CH3, CH2, CH2, OH. Then also B is indicated the CH3, CH2, and CH2OH. So here both option number 1 we taken the same, both same type of compounds, so only primary alcohols are obtained. Then option number 2 we taken there also, A compound is CH3, then CHOH and also CH3, then B is indicated the then CH3 CH2 CH2OH. So here the both are different compounds, are, then A is the secondary alcohol, the OH group is attached at the secondary position in the chain. So here this is the secondary alcohol, so here OH group is attached to the primary carbon, this is the primary alcohol. Then option number C, so here option number C, A is so CH3 then CHOH and also CH3 secondary alcohol, B is also indicated the CH3 CHOH CH3. So here option D is none. So here we discuss about the preparation methods of alcohols. Then question number, we raised the question is, then one type of alkene is the, this is the unsymmetrical alkene. So here unsymmetrical means here, so here double bond carbon, the double bond carbon contain the one side is only one carbon, second side is two carbon. So here this is the unsymmetrical. So here unsymmetrical alkene react with H2SO4 to produce the A and also react with B2H6 to produce the B. So here then we write the preparation method of alkene. So here for example we take in the reaction is then CH2 double bond CH2. So here the compound name is ethene. This is the symmetrical alkene. Symmetrical means here both sides are same number of carbon atoms. It is called symmetrical. Then react with the, so here concentration H2SO4 by H2O. So here the reaction CH3 then CH2 HSO4 and also react with H2O molecule, then to produce the compound is CH3 CH2OH. So here we taken here also only symmetrical. So here symmetrical alkene. Then next one we taken the second preparation method. This is the symmetrical. We taken the unsymmetrical alkene CH3 CH double bond CH2. Both sides are different carbon atom. One side is two carbon atoms and another one side is only one carbon atom. So here react with, so concentration H2SO4. So here to produce the direct method is concentration H2SO4 by H2O to produce the compound is CH3 then CHOH is CH3. So here in this reaction follows the only Markovnikov rule. According to Markovnikov rule, so here also the carbocations are tertiary carbocation is greater than secondary carbocation is greater than primary. So here also secondary alcohols are produced in this method. So here this follows the only Markovnikov rule. So here another one. So here A CH3 CH double bond CH2 react with concentration H2SO4 to produce the compound is secondary alcohol. So here also in this option number 1 A is primary alcohol, B is primary alcohol. Option number 2 A is secondary alcohol, so B is primary alcohol. Then option number C both are having the A and B is having the only secondary alcohols are present. So here also first one is the second one A is the right is secondary alcohol. Then next one react with B2H6 diboron. Diboron is so next one react same diboron. Then second process is, so here CH3 CH double bond CH2 react with B2H6 diboron, then also here THF tetrahydrofuran to produce the compound is CH3 CH2 CH2OH. So here also primary alcohol is formed. So here This reaction is follows the anti-Markovnikov rule. According to anti-Markovnikov rules, then the carbocation's reactivity is primary is greater than, secondary is greater than, then also here tertiary. So here this is the anti-Markovnikov rule. So here in above reaction, then one is form of the A is form of the secondary alcohol, then B is form of the only primary alcohol. So option second one is the right answer, then option one is wrong, and also option C is wrong. So here we discuss in briefly. So here first one is from alcohols prepared from alkenes. So here example in before reaction, then CH3 CH double bond CH2, then react with concentration H2SO4 by H2O to produce the compound is CH3 CHOH and also CH3. Then secondary alcohol is formed. So here this reaction is followed the Markovnikov rule. Markovnikov rule. So here Markovnikov rule. So here we indicated the here also we discussed the mechanism. So here mechanism is possible in 3 steps. So here step 1, protonation of alkene. So here protonation of alkene means here H2O react with H plus to produce the hydronium ion H3O plus, and we taken their major compound, we taken their CH3, then CH double bond CH2. So here write the indicated the here carbon. So here write the hydrogen, then react with HOH and also here also H. So here double bond is present, the electrons moved from the double bond to hydrogen, then produce the compound is CH3, then CH and also H, then C plus. So here loss of electron from the first carbon to get the compound is primary carbocation. And also another one plus. So here another is then CH3, then CH. So here also positive charge, then here also hydrogen, then also hydrogen. So here this is the secondary carbocation. So according to Markovnikov rule, the secondary carbocation is more stable than the primary carbocation. So here step 2 indicated the, so here nucleophile attack of H2O on carbocation. So here H2O is attacking carbocation. Then nucleophile is acts as the H2O. So here CH3, then CH, then positive charge and also here CH3 react with H2O molecule. So here lone pairs are present on the oxygen. So here the lone pairs is attached to the positive charge, then we get the CH3, then CH and CH3 OH and also H. So here loss of electrons from the oxygen get the positive charge. Then we take in the step 3. So here step 3 reaction. So here deprotonation of alkene to form the alcohol. So here also we indicated the then CH3, carbon, hydrogen, and also CH3. So here oxygen, hydrogen, and also hydrogen. Then here positive charge is present. Then remove of the hydrogen HO plus. So here also H to produce the compound is then CH3, CHOH, and CH3 plus H3O plus. So here this is the preparation of alcohols from the alkenes in unsymmetrical compounds. So here we get the, according to Markovnikov rule, this unsymmetrical compound react with the concentration H2SO4 to produce the compound is secondary alcohol. Then another reaction we indicated the so your next one react with the diborane. React with B2H6 diborane. Diborane is electron deficient molecule. It acts as the electrophile. So here this is the electron deficient molecule. So acts as the electrophile. So your reaction is, so in above reaction example we taken the reaction is then CH3 CH double bond CH2 then react with B2H6 diborane to produce the compound is, so your primary alcohol CH3 CH2 then CH2OH. So your above discussed tells the then unsymmetrical alkene react with concentration H2SO4 to produce the secondary alcohol, but this alkene propane react with the diborane in presence of tetrahydrofuran to produce the only primary alcohol. So your mechanism, write the mechanism. Then CH3 CH double bond CH2 then react with HBH2 compound. So here also this is the diborane, write the another way. So here to produce the compound is then CH3 then CH2 then CH2 then BH2. So here we take in the another mole of alkene CH3 CH double bond CH2 to produce the compound CH3 CH2 and also CH2. So here also BH. So here taken 2. So here another mole. We take in another mole of unsymmetrical alkene then CH3 then CH double bond CH2 to produce the compound is CH3 CH2 and CH2 then also here B. So here trialkyl borane is obtained. The trialkyl borane is react with hydrogen peroxide H2O2. We taken here also 3 moles to produce the compound is CH3 CH2 and also CH2OH. So here this reaction is follows the only anti-Markovnikov rule. According to anti-Markovnikov rule, the reactivity of carbocations are primary is more reactive than the secondary and more reactive than the tertiary carbocations. So here this is the first preparation method of alcohols. Then next one we take in another examples. For example, so here for example reaction is so another method. So here second one, alcohols prepared from alkyl halides. So here alkyl halide general molecular formula indicated the RX. So here for example Example reaction indicated the Rx react with potassium hydroxide to produce the compound is ROH. So here for example we taken the reaction is then ethyl CH3, then CH2, then also here Cl. So here ethyl chloride. So here react with aqueous potassium hydroxide to produce the compound is CH3, then CH2OH. So and also next another one. So here second one is CH3 CH2Cl. So here this reaction is called SN2 reaction. So here in SN2 reaction, so here primary alkyl halides are more reactive than the secondary and tertiary. So here this is the SN2 reaction and also react with the silver hydroxide AgOH to produce the compound is CH3 CH2OH and remove of the AgCl. So here this is the another preparation method. So here for example, so here the reaction is, for example the reaction is, so here cyclo, then CCH3 double bond CH2. So here react with concentration H2SO4 by H2O. So here what is the product? So in above previous lecture is, so here also double bond carbon is present, but here reagent is H plus is present. So here the compound is formation of the, so here CH3 double bond CH2, then react with the concentration H2SO4 to produce the compound is then CCH3 OH and also CH3. So here this is also followed Markovnikov rule. So here next another preparation methods. So here another preparation methods we taken here also. So oxymercuration and also demercuration. Oxymercuration means here so here demercuration using the reagent is sodium borate. So for example compound is CH3, then CH double bond CH2. So here react with HgAOC mercury diacetate to produce the compound is then CH3 CHO HgOAC. So here also CH3. So here this process is called oxymercuration. This process is called oxymercuration. And another react with the presence of sodium borate NaBH4. So here to produce the compound is CH3 CHOH and also CH3. So here this process is called demercuration. Demercuration.
Okay.